So it's obvious that the Action Bible is written for kids, because when David had Goliath on the ground, he took Goliath's sword and he just held it up. That's all he did. Nope, we're not going to cut his head off. We're just going to hold it up. And I said, nope, that's not how it went. That's not how it goes. That's not how it's supposed to go. So I think in that's an early version. I don't know what they've done recently with. Maybe they changed that in later versions, because I think they. I think there is a version with the actual text from the actual Bible. Was like carry 3 bricks back to my hotel. Oh, 3 bricks. Yeah, they're really big. So much in them. Right, yes. Wait, did you say you got them free? Hold on. Did you say. Okay, you did not say you got them free. Welcome back. My community is back. Welcome back. It's okay. I didn't say anything that you would miss. I didn't say anything about you much. It was like carry 3 bricks back to my hotel. Oh, I already read that. Yeah, they also they publish other comic books, just like they go in depth in some of the stories. But that was quite an ambitious feat to make the entire Bible. I know that they hired many artists to do that. The Action Bible is done by one artist, Sergio Cariello. The Kingstone Bible is done by many, many, many artists. Can you imagine working on something like that and then putting it on your shelf, and then your kids growing up to read that? Wow, you are a Kingstone Comics connoisseur. Alright, let's see if we're going to get done with page 23 before 7 o'clock. We got 34 minutes to go until 7. Can I do the rest? Because everybody likes watching people draw rocks. That's my favorite thing to do. Thank you for your patience, everyone. These rocks are not going to draw themselves. Rev the Storyteller is in lurk mode and is going to roam aimlessly around the comic shop, refusing help until the cashier is busy with someone else. He's going to buy the heaviest books in the comic shop. I'm one of those guys who I go to the comic shop, I ask the guy behind the counter, hey, I ask him questions about Neil Adams, I ask him about various comic artists, and Neil McFarlane, what's his first name? And then he brings it up on the computer, and he says, you want to buy that? I'm like, no. I'll buy something cheaper. I did get a new, last time I was there, I did get a new Sam Wilson comic. Captain America. What's it called? Symbol of Truth. It was a back issue. Issue 1 of Symbol of Truth. There was a variant cover available, but I chose the normal cover because I liked it better. Collect what you love, not necessarily what is going to sell. Collect what you love. You can't predict the comic market in the future.